Gaustatoppen is one of the most iconic mountains in Norway. With its 1,883 meters, it tops all surrounding mountains, so that it is visible from nearly a sixth of Norway. But there is more to what makes it unique. The Gaustatoppen is located near Rjukan in the municipality of Tinn in the Telemark. It is a couple of hundred meters higher than the surrounding mountains and can thus be seen from far away on good days. On days with excellent conditions, it can be seen from the Swedish border, about 150 kilometers to the east. It is made of extremely hard granite and was thus eroded less than the surrounding mountains. Gaustatoppen is a popular hiking destination. There are several hiking trails leading to the summit. As one of the very few mountains, there is a train to the summit, so that the top is accessible for many people. The easiest hike starts at the parking place at Stavro. There is a sign where to start, and you can see the summit already from there. As it is a popular hike, there will be many people, so just follow the flow. It will go constantly up, but it will never be really steep. The path goes most of the way on bare rock. For this hike, we organized a little tour with some friends. When hiking in a group, it's important to not try to follow the fastest people if you are slow. It will go well for a while, but then it will be really painful. Best is to make smaller groups depending on the speed, so nobody gets frustrated. First you will follow the flank of the mountain for a little bit over 1 hour. Then you will reach a plateau. From there starts the final ascent to the cabin and antenna station. The hike takes around 2 hours to get from Stavro to the tourist cabin. It takes around an hour and a half to go down. The whole trip will take 5 to 6 hours, including break, photo session and waffle eating at the TNT cabin. There are other hikes to the summit, but they are all longer and steeper and are better suited for experienced hikers. The actual summit is a bit farther. The path starts behind the antenna and the viewing platform and goes over many rocks. We avoided going there on this day as there was too much fog, but some of the group went there. The weather on Gaustatoppen is very variable and local. It can happen that the summit is shrouded in clouds, while the surroundings have nice weather. On the day of the hike in mid-June, we had all possible weather, including snow. Unfortunately, the view was not that great, but there were holes in the clouds for like 30 seconds. For our viewer, we have fortunately some footage from an earlier ascent. As you can see, the view is quite astonishing. The other attraction is the train, or better, trains to the summit. It consists of a tram which drives from the entrance horizontally about 900 meters into the mountain. Then you change to a funicular, which takes you right below the summit. The train was originally built by the US Army in the 1950s to have an all-year access to the antenna station on the top of the mountain, which was operated together with the Norwegian Army. The train was kept secret until the early 2000s. It opened to the public in 2010. Due to its nature as an army transport, it doesn't comply with modern public transport standards. The access to the funicular is over a steep stair and the tram is very low. Also, the access doors are quite narrow. For people with disabilities, it is best to check the operator's website or contact them. The train ride will take approximately 20 minutes from the entrance to the top station. That way you visit Gaustatoppen in around 2 hours. The train is open most of the year. Check their website for opening days. If you are looking for other places to visit nearby, there are a lot. Very close by, there is the Rjukan-Notodden Industrial Heritage, which is part of the UNESCO World Heritage. This includes the power plant and heavy water factory at Vemork, the Rjukan Railway, the railway ferries at Mal, and more. In winter there is a nearby ski resort, and Gaustatoppen has become a destination for randonnee ski tour. So that's it. We hope this video is useful. Please give it a like, and if you haven't done it, then subscribe to our channel. Take a look at our other videos. There might be something which interests you. Check our Facebook and Instagram for bonus content, and our affiliated links for some special offers.